I'm Shikha Mukherjee. I teach class 4 at Cambridge Primary School. Last year, I had a student whose name was Siddharth, and he came to my class. I was told he had some learning difficulties, but I was not very sure about what exactly it was. But later on, after 1 or 2 months, when our principal said that orchids are going to come to our school, so it was then I came to know how to handle Siddharth in a better manner. Because first, with the help of orchids, I was able to identify his problem. And after identifying his problem, I was able to know what was his real problem, where did he need the special help. Siddharth is to go to orchids during the course of the day and be looked after into the special areas where he needs. So when orchids started, handling Siddharth, I came to know how to handle him in a better way. Suppose I came to know, suppose during the science class, they would help me find out how to help him in his academic ways, in his academic day-to-day studies, and also use flashcards to make him learn all the concepts in a better way, so that he understands the concepts in a better way. Also with English, he would go to orchids, he was able to read anything that you give him, but he was not able to comprehend. That was where he needed help, and with orchids, various ways of trying to get him to know how to comprehend in a better manner. So when we had the English test, orchids helped me to make a modified paper where he would be able to do the same syllabus but in a different manner. So, in the course of time, we felt that he was a very intelligent child. So, in the course of after the first term, we realized that let us try with the normal question paper with the other children are using. So with the help of orchids and with the special educator who is to come to help Siddharth out, he was able to answer the regular paper and he did pretty well. I think he was at par with the other students, answering the same, but it was only with the help of orchids it was possible. Also with maths, I felt that he was able to understand the concepts again with the various ways of flashcards and even the problem sums. He would be if you read the question or the problem to him, and then he would give the options to him, he would be able to point out the answer. That is what was in the beginning, but again with the process of time, he learned how to work out the various operations that are involved in mathematics. So these are few examples which I felt really helped because of the help of orchids. During a report, suppose I had to write a report card. Now these comments are not, you cannot write normal comments which you write for the normal students. You need specialized way of writing to the parents, because here they are not, the comments have to be really, to understand the parents, they should know what exactly we are trying to tell them. And it needs a really specialized vocabulary to write about these children. So I could, with the help of orchids, I could write the report card in a very, in a way so that all the qualities and the problems with the child needs, the parent needs to understand, were given in a proper manner. Even when during the various activity, orchids would also help to identify whether he would like whether he goes to tennis, what are his interests. It would help him. So the orchids would be able to help us to identify his interest, so that we would send him, okay, let's try tennis. So we would send him to tennis. We found out that Siddharth now is pursuing tennis in a serious way. He comes in the afternoon to learn tennis. He's also he can understand chess also very well. So during the activity week, during the activity periods, he would like to play with clay and also chess. So these are the various ways by which he was able to, we were sort of guided to identify the interest and his capabilities, so that we are able to help the child in a proper manner.